Keep hosing, check. Run up a check. Get money.
Hey y'all, so I am back with a DIY, something I hardly ever do on my channel, but this was just such an amazing DIY to me. It turned out perfect. It's everything I imagined. And all I did was I went to Dollar Tree and I wasn't sure if I was gonna find it, but I had seen a tutorial. I forgot whose tutorial it was. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But it was a tutorial on how to make a Dollar Tree mirror wall or something. I'll link it down below. But I was like, why don't I cover the top of my desk in mirror, because it was a failed paint job. The night before I had tried to spray paint it white and just keep it simple, but it didn't work out. So I went to Dollar Tree. I bought 20 mirrors, well, 20 mirror frames, and yeah, I went with that. Now, as you can see, I have like these black cardboard pieces, and those are just pieces that go behind the mirror. If that makes sense, I don't know what they're called, but that's what they are, and I just used those to measure how many I would need. So, like I said, I bought 20 initially, but I ended up needing 23 after measuring. And when I was in the store, I calculated 24 because this is a 40 by 20 inch desk. And I got this desk from Walmart and it was $40. So, with all that being said, I used 23. Now, as you can see, I have 20. Yes, I have 20 and they're all laying horizontally. And then way on the end, which is like appearing at the top of the screen, I have 3 going vertically. Those aren't going to hang off, but the very top left one is going to hang off because it doesn't measure and fit exactly to the desk. But it doesn't matter, y'all see in the end, it doesn't matter at all. Now, if it does matter to you, you may have to just keep it simple, go to Lowe's and get a piece of mirror cut. But I was trying to avoid all of that extra stuff. And yeah, so total I probably spent 70, I'm rounding $70. Like I said, the desk was 40, and then 23 mirrors from Dollar Tree was $23, of course, and the E6000 glue that I got from Walmart was no more than $4. It's super easy. It took me probably about an hour, no more than an hour. The longest part and the hardest part was taking the stickers off of the mirrors and unpackaging them. That was the hardest part. After that, it was a breeze. Now, I'm gonna stop rambling now and let y'all enjoy this DIY. And thanks for watching.